Hello, and welcome to our video blog. I'm Ann Dampf with the Stockham Law Group, and today I'm going to go over 3 things you need to know if you have private flood insurance and experience a loss. Floods can cause extensive damage and wreak havoc on your life. I know, I've experienced it. My house was destroyed in a flood, and I've endured the entire process. Here are 3 things to keep in mind. First, if you have private flood insurance, make sure you review your policy before a loss happens. Make sure you understand what's going to be covered and what's not. Some of these things matter based upon where your house is located or how tall your house is. It's called an elevation certificate. If part of it's below ground, some coverage may be limited. Take into account whether or not your private insurance policy is going to afford you coverage for your additional living expenses should you need to live off-site after a loss happens. Second, make sure you notify your insurance carrier if you do experience a flood, and do it right away. Flood claims are governed by specific laws and the policy itself, so deadlines are tight and you'll have to follow them. Third, keep detailed records. Document everything. Take photos, videos of every area of your property that is affected by a flood. Anything directly damaged by water needs to be documented. And do the same when you obtain estimates for repairs from licensed contractors. Make sure their estimates or the invoices for the repairs are just as detailed as the documentation of what was damaged. You need to know room by room, where did the water go? How high did it go? Did it touch your electrical outlets? Break down your labor, materials. All of those things need to be itemized for a flood claim. It's important to note that even private flood insurance companies may not always do the right thing and may not pay a fair settlement to you when a loss happens. If you encounter difficulties, please reach out. I'm here to help you every step of the way. As an experienced attorney who's endured flood damage themselves, I understand the stress that flood can cause, and I can help you walk through the process. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay dry, and see you next time on the 3 things you need to know from Stockham Law Group.